Hey you guys, this is Jason Epperson from Omaha, Nebraska, and this here painting I made on Livestream. So it is a 16 by 20 inch stretched canvas, and I named it, well, what it is. It's a dream catcher with tropics in it. It's dreaming of paradise, naturally, of course. And on the Livestream feed, I got the walkthrough and everything. It's a tutorial. So check it out if you'd like. And follow along, maybe learn something. But otherwise, here's the time lapse. I hope you guys like it. Peace out. Be safe and definitely be kind to one another. Catch you on the next one. Bye.
I promise I can give you everything you want, baby. Yeah. I'm gonna switch to falsetto cause I know it drives you crazy. Yeah. I love you more than love itself. I know that doesn't make much sense, but fuck it. Fuck it. Ooh. So what, so what, so what, so what, so what? So what if we're crazy? So what, so what, so what, so what, so what? So what if we're crazy? I still love you, baby. So what if we're crazy? I still love you, baby. So what if we're crazy? I still love you, baby. So what if we're crazy? I still love you, baby. I do. Yeah. So what if we're crazy? I still love you, baby. I do. So what, so what, so what?